What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to look at Dogecoin, massive pump over the last few days with the Trump Elon presidency. So we're sitting at 40 cents. We're up 36% on the day. Seeing market cap 58 billion, 24-hour volume 35 billion. So if we hop into the charts, as we can see off the bear market low, what I'm looking at is a 1-2-1-2, which leads to an extended wave 3, which is exactly what we're seeing. Going absolutely parabolic, one of the few that's still in profits here as Bitcoin pulls back a little bit. So this may be the top of the wave 3. If we just continue to overextend, then your next target for the wave 3 is the 261.8 fib extension, which is at 51 cents for our friend Doge. So if we pull back from here, I can give you a target zone to look for a bounce. Just take a fib retracement from the bottom of the wave 2 to the top of the wave 3, and you would target in between 23.6 and the 50%. If you like to gain access to my trading group for free, just hang around to the end of the video. Almost 3,000 members in there now. So we have the wave 3 up, wave 4 pullback. So if we were to continue to pull back from here, look for bounce in between 26 cents and 35 cents before pushing up in the wave 5. That's if we pull back from here. If 26 cents is lost, then it invalidates a wave 4 pullback and you look for a deeper pullback, but I don't think that's likely. I think we either continue to push up in the 3 or we pull back and bounce from this zone before seeing continuation back to the upside. That's what I'm looking at for our friend Doge. If you want completely free access to my trading group, all you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world. One of the few exchanges where you can trade futures in North America. You get 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees. All you have to do is sign up. Will literally take you 30 seconds. Send me an email once you've signed up and I will send you the link for my trading group, which includes my daily crypto analysis for many projects, my exact crypto trade setups, my Forex trade signals, and one of our members is posting trades all day long. And you can get completely free access with a sign up to Bitfinex. Check out the links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.